This video explains how to use the microwave at Primrose House. So you'll see the dials on the right show the time, and then you have your power selector. Now this is a 700 watt microwave, so you can choose between medium high, medium, and then you just choose the desired time. So you just open up the microwave by putting on the handle, put in your food, shut the door, and then select the time. Also then activate the microwave. If it's not coming on, please ensure it's turned on the switch, and when the timer is done it will ping. Then open up and remove your food. If you have made a mess in here, please use a soft cloth to wipe away all the food so that it doesn't smell and it's ready for next time. Thank you.